Welcome in the Sustainable Lab.
Today we are talking about pollution.
What is pollution?
Pollution is the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that cause adverse change. Water pollution?
Pollution is therefore affecting drinking water, lakes, rivers, and even oceans. It can come from different sources. If it's a single source, it is called a point source pollution. If not, it is a non-point source pollution. Most types of pollution are affecting the surrounding area, but it may affect the environment 100 miles away. This is called transboundary pollution. Obviously, it harms the natural environment such as fishes, but it can affect human health.
We can define 7 types of water pollution. The first one is the surface water pollution, then the oxygen depleting, the groundwater, pollution from nutrients, microbiological, suspended matter, and lastly, chemical pollution. Then there are different causes such as sewage, marine dumping, industrial waste, radioactive waste, oil pollution, underground storage, atmosphere, deposition, and even global warming.
Water pollution, which is the oil pollution. This is mostly happening in oceans due to the routine shippings, runs-off, and dumping on a daily basis. Oil spill is about 12% of the oil that enters the ocean. The rest comes from shipping travel, drains, and dumping. An oil spill is from a tanker. It is a severe problem because it dumps a huge quantity of oil just in one place. It causes localized problems, yet it is catastrophic for the local marine wildlife such as birds. Oil cannot dissolve itself in the water and form the thick sludge in the water. This can suffocate fishes, it stays on the feathers of birds, which stop them from flying, and it blocks the light needed for photosynthetic aquatic plants.
Now we will show you an experiment which illustrates the effects of oil spill.
First of all, we are putting water in a bowl. Then we are mixing our oil with any pigments that we have. Then we'll spill our mixture in the water like a ship could do if an oil spill happened in the middle of the ocean. We can clearly see the thickness of the oil on top of the water.
How to prevent the oil pollution?
When it comes to oil spills, it is usually accident. There are laws on the weight of ships, especially tankers. However, those laws are usually broken by companies to earn more money. How to treat oil pollution?
Unfortunately, oil spill in the middle of oceans cannot be treated. When the sludges reach the coast, there are associations which gather people, volunteers who are willing to clean the coast.
Fast enough, they can save animals from dying. They also help the whole marine wildlife to recover, even if it's a real long process to clean everything.